When you don't see faces like yours on TV or the big screen, you must create your own channel and pave your own path. For the past decade, I have used my voice and platform to represent Asian Americans in entertainment and media, both in front and behind the camera, producing television shows at Myx TV, starting my own YouTube channel covering the most popular Asian American events, and interviewing influencers, entertainers, and entrepreneurs. Directing the 18th annual Unforgettable Gala, also known as the Asian Oscars, sharing my favorite Asian snacks and family recipes on Asian Snack Queen, and most recently going full-time with my tech channel, TechNicki Speaking, representing women in film and media. I share all of this because 10 years ago, people told me that I couldn't make a career telling Asian American stories, and I'm so glad I didn't listen. My name is Nicki, and I am so proud to be an Asian American woman continuing to cover our stories. Happy Asian Pacific Islander American Heritage Month.